If you've been wondering how to get 4K quality video in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the exact export settings and the one timeline step you should not skip if you want your final video to look sharp, clean, and truly high resolution. This works great whether you're exporting for YouTube, social media, or just want the best possible quality from your edit. And before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, before you even touch the export settings, you need to match your project canvas to the target resolution. This is important because if your timeline is set to the wrong size, your export may not be as crisp as you want it to be. To do that, look at the player panel, which is your preview screen. Then go to the details box in the bottom right corner and click Modify. When the menu opens, change the setting from Adapted to Custom. This lets you manually control the canvas size instead of letting CapCut decide it for you. Now, set the dimensions exactly to 3840 by 2160. That is the standard 4K Ultra HD resolution. After you enter those numbers, click Save. This step helps lock your project into a proper 4K canvas so your video has the best chance of exporting in full quality. Once that is done, move to the top right corner and click Export. This is where the final quality settings matter the most. For resolution, choose 4K. This standardizes your output to 3840 by 2160 and gives you a true ultra-high definition export. Next, go to bitrate and choose Custom, then select VBR. VBR means variable bitrate, and it helps dynamically shift data so scenes with a lot of motion stay crisp and detailed. After that, set the data rate to 50,000 kbps. This pushes a high-fidelity data rate that helps preserve fine details and gives your video a more professional look. For codec, choose HEVC or H.265. This is a great option because it compresses your video efficiently while keeping more micro details intact. Then set the format to MP4. MP4 is one of the most stable and widely supported containers, which makes playback smoother across modern devices and platforms. Finally, set the frame rate to 60 FPS. This gives your video that fluid, smooth look, especially if you're editing action clips, motion graphics, or fast-paced content. Once all of those settings are in place, double-check everything before exporting. A lot of people miss one small setting and then wonder why their video doesn't look as sharp as expected. So make sure your canvas is 3840 by 2160, your resolution is 4K, your bitrate is on custom VBR, your data rate is 50,000 kbps, your codec is HEVC, your format is MP4, and your frame rate is 60 FPS. When everything looks correct, go ahead and export your video. After the export finishes, you should have a much cleaner, sharper, and more professional looking 4K result from CapCut. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.